Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Bath & Body Works perfume travel size. The 2.5-ounce 24-hour moisture body cream in the scent Into the Nights. If you love Bath & Body Works fragrances and want a convenient, travel-friendly option that keeps your skin soft and beautifully scented, this product deserves your attention. The Bath & Body Works Into the Nights travel size body cream comes in a compact 2.5 fluid ounce container, perfectly sized for carrying in your purse, backpack, or travel bag. Its dimensions are just 2 by 2 by 2 inches, making it extremely portable without sacrificing enough product for multiple uses. Whether you're jetting off on a weekend getaway or need a refreshing lotion for daily use on the go, this size is ideal. Into the Nights itself is one of Bath & Body Works' signature fragrances. It's known for its deep, sensual blend of dark berries, jasmine petals, and musk that lingers subtly on the skin. This cream not only hydrates your skin but also leaves behind that iconic, alluring scent that is perfect for evenings or whenever you want to feel a bit more sophisticated and elegant. One of the standout features of this body cream is its 24-hour moisture claim. The formula is designed to provide long-lasting hydration, so you don't need to constantly reapply. It's rich enough to soothe dry skin but absorbs quickly enough to avoid that greasy feeling. This balance makes it perfect for all skin types and comfortable enough to wear year-round. The texture of the cream is smooth and creamy, not too thick or watery, which allows for easy application and fast absorption. This means you get immediate softness and hydration without any sticky residue. It's great for layering with other products like body sprays or perfumes, enhancing the overall fragrance experience. In terms of packaging, the jar has a sleek and simple design with the Bath & Body Works branding and the Into the Nights label clearly displayed. It's sturdy enough to withstand travel bumps and spills, giving you peace of mind when packing it in your luggage. Although it's marketed as a travel size, it's also a fantastic option for everyday use at home, especially if you want to carry your favorite scent with you wherever you go. The convenience of this size makes it an excellent gift option too, particularly for Bath & Body Works fans who enjoy their classic fragrances but want something portable. Keep in mind that this particular product may have some shipping restrictions depending on your location, so it's best to check availability if you're ordering internationally. However, if you're able to get it, it offers a perfect combination of fragrance, hydration, and portability. In summary, the Bath & Body Works Into the Nights 24-hour moisture body cream travel size brings the best of Bath & Body Works in a compact and effective package. It delivers lasting moisture, a signature scent, and easy application, making it a top choice for those who want to maintain their favorite fragrance on the go without carrying bulky bottles. If you're looking for a convenient way to enjoy the Into the Nights fragrance and keep your skin nourished, this travel-size body cream is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.